Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to check on your May energies. Just a general overview to see what energies are around you in May and how you can use these energies to have a great month going forward. And these are general collective readings, Cancer, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Oh, see what I have as an overall energy for you, Cancer. The happiest card in the deck, the Sun card. Let's see what it's doing here and how. May just be a wonderful month for you, seeing the Sun energy here. So, but before I open your cards, Cancer, I am going to start with a Ganesha Oracle card for you. Let's see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless this month for you. Lord Ganesha, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Cancer gang. Revelation. Wow. So this is again something coming to light, something which was hidden. There is some truth about that, or you are getting some good news regarding that. Something is coming out in the open. Maybe the sun is going to be shining that light on something. Who knows? Let's put this card here as well, Cancer, and let's see what your cards have to say now. All right. Now this almost looks like the sun, doesn't it? It's such a beautiful card. Look at this. Doesn't this look like the sun? Something getting exposed within the light. Okay, Queen of Wands, beautiful. As your current energy, Cancer, you are looking good, feeling good. People are seeing you as dynamic. This is not a masculine, feminine card, Cancer. I always say that. You're moving ahead. I think good luck and good karmas on your side suddenly. And yes, you are transforming, maybe starting feeling like, this is a brand new life for you. And people are noticing that as well. I mean, because Queen of Wands is a character of a person who everybody looks up to, who's sexy, who's beautiful, dynamic, and yes, goes after what they want, never backing down. Gonna fight. I've may have been battered and bruised, but I still have that one wand in my hand, which is exactly what this Queen of Wands has, and says, hey, I'm not giving up. I've still got it. I've still got it. Yes, maybe there were secrets around you. Maybe things were hidden in the dark. Maybe that's why the Sun card is here. This is a month which is going to expose a lot of things which maybe were hidden in the dark. Maybe some secrets will come out which will actually give you this chance for a second chance, or you're not giving up. From what I see, you're not giving up. This is your current energy. What happened in the recent past, Spirit? Queen of Pentacles. How is that their recent past energy, Spirit? Oh, okay. So maybe you were looking for something more stable. Say if this was a job, you wanted a permanent position, but you got a freelancing position. That's what I would feel. Or if this was a connection or a relationship, you were looking to become the spouse or, the wife, or have a stable connection, but what you got was somebody who was not committed, non-committal, who was always in and out, who was never, there for too long, and gave you mixed signals. So if this is what you were dealing with in the past, I think some secrets are going to be revealed now, which is going to give you a second chance here, or like a rebirth, because you haven't given up. You were never a coward. You never backed down, and you're still showing up as somebody who is very brave and can still do it. Let's see what's coming up in May for you then. The World. All right, let's see now. World Cancer sometimes is endings and or new beginnings. So let's see what this world represents for you now. So, Spirit, what's this world card for Cancer in May? What does this world card signify for Cancer? If you've been okay, so if you've been feeling in lack in the past, Cancer, from anything, if you felt abandoned, left out in the cold by a, say, let's say, a partner, or maybe you were having money issues because work wasn't that great, Spirit is saying in May you're going to be getting some news. This is probably a message or a text or an email or some news that's going to come your way, where you will get an opportunity to work things out. Not just work things out, it's going to bring back balance in your life. So this could mean a brand new beginning for you, Cancer. So whatever was not working with the Five of Pentacles in the past, this news, this message, this new that comes into your life, it could be a message from somebody from your past. I'm not saying that, but it's whatever this news will happen now in May is going to help you work things out. And it's going to bring you a lot of balance, a lot of justice. So let's see what is Cancer meant to hold on to. Hold on to your strength. You're showing up here very, very strong already. I've seen that with the Queen of Wands and the Nine of Wands. You're not a quitter. Don't be a quitter, Spirit is saying. You keep your strength up. What you're doing is absolutely correct. Keep your self-respect. You have a lot of self-worth. So maintain that. And the minute you feel things have totally ended, you're reaching an end of a cycle, end of a chapter. And maybe has been a period in your life, recent past, that you've had to go within. Maybe you've been, in hermit mode, trying to understand, trying to get the answers. But I think something very, very good is coming your way with the Two of Cups and the Queen of Cups. This is going to be either a new partnership or a romantic connection. This one is going to feel fair. This is going to feel equal because you didn't back down. You were strong. You've seen things from a higher perspective, Cancer, and you were saying, no, I'm not going to feel betrayed. I'm not going to feel beaten down. I'm going to go within and find the answers from within. I think whatever period of time, whatever lessons you've learned now, Cancer, is going to really pay off in May from what I feel, because justice is on its way. Okay, so what should Cancer let go of? Knight of Pentacles. Don't stop, Cancer. Don't stop. Because Knight of Pentacles is a card of stagnancy. So if there has been any stagnancy, or if there's been rigidity around you, or you've been not moving because of certain rules or regulations, I think Spirit is saying don't get bogged down with anything that overwhelms you anymore. This is slowing you down. This is stagnating your progress. Whatever you feel are your do's and don'ts, I think it's time to now release all that. You've been taking on too much burden, you've been carrying all the load by yourself, and that's led to this feeling of stagnancy. Yes, you're strong, yes, you have the strength, yes, you're dynamic, yes, you're a fighter, but that does not mean you are supposed to carry all the burden, whether it's in work. Maybe you're doing all the projects by yourself and your colleagues are kind of sipping coffee out there, right? So Spirit is saying it's going to lead to stagnancy. Don't allow that to happen. Let that go. Yes, stagnancy. You have to let that go. Let's see what's going to become your biggest blockage now in May. Eight of Swords, overthinking, feeling stressed out. See, Cancer, there's nobody else here in this card. Nobody is holding this person down. I mean, there's a path clear in front of this person. They don't have to stay stagnant here. They can just walk out. The swords are around them, but they have a blindfold on their eyes. They fear that if I move forward, I'll be cut or bruised or hurt. And that keeps them stagnant. That's what Spirit is saying. You have to let go of stagnancy in your life. It's time for you to take action with all that strength that you have. Okay, so being this in this self-imposed prison can yes, become a blockage. You have to look forward. You have to look forward. Spirit is saying new things are coming towards you. New offers are coming towards you. You can, be rest assured in divine timing. When the time is right, you've already put in all that work. It's your time now to push forward towards all these wonderful new offers that are going to be coming your way in May. So how do people see Cancer now in May? See, people who love you, Cancer, they see you like this. Very stable, having new beginnings in your life, very secure, very stable. Or at least that's how they hope for you. Let's see why people see you as the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, they see you as dynamic. They see you as a person who can really push forward if they want to, but maybe because of something which happened suddenly, maybe in your life, maybe you've been through some kind of a tower moment. After that, they see that you kind of, even though you have the potential of the Queen of Wands energy, the King of Wands energy, this is an energy of somebody who can really make things happen. But they see after a tower moment has happened in your life, maybe you kind of hold back from your highest potential. They see you having the capability of achieving something very stable and beautiful and new in your life. But they see you holding back because of maybe some tower moment which happened in your life. Maybe they see you as not wanting to now see, which don't worry, the universe is behind you in May, it seems also, Cancer, because some revelations are going to be coming. It'll be time now to remove that blindfold from your eyes now, remove those swords from against your chest and, see the truth and move ahead. So what's Spirit's secret message for you? Five of Swords. Why is the Five of Swords? Yes, Cancer, you have the strength. You have the strength. You have the capacity to beat any competition. You can be victorious. Nobody can. One second. Let me take a few cards and let me tell you. So why is the Five of Swords your secret message, Spirit? You have people who've been trying to maybe pull you down, Cancer. Spirit is saying, yes, you've had some toxic energies around you, who've been watching you, who've been troubling you, but you, with your newfound surrender that you've done, or this, some epiphanies which are coming your way, like Lord Ganesha said, some revelations, because you've gone within, I think. You've kind of tried to find the truth. Whatever you will find out is actually going to give you even more strength and lead you to wish fulfillment. You are now in a position now, because you've seen what who's all about. You've been studying people, or maybe you should in May, I don't know. This is your time maybe to see all the toxicity or the toxic people around you or situations. And yes, with your own strength, you can find your happiness now. So what's the Sun card then for Cancer, Spirit? What's the Sun card? It was the underlying energy for our reading. See, here you are. Totally Nine of Cups, Nine of Pentacles. This is a person who, you may want people around you, but you don't need them. You can do everything by yourself. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, Cancer. This is somebody who has achieved, can achieve their money, wealth, finances, looking good, feeling good, and bringing in your own happiness. I think this is going to be a month where you will be flooded with new offers. A lot of offers, and it's going to make you really happy. So it is only urging you here, Cancer, do not be at a stalemate where you don't take action, and don't let your mind take over. In May, you have the capacity, capability of achieving anything that you want for yourself. Nine of Pentacles. You by yourself. Isn't that wonderful? So that's all I have for you. Till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.